Hello students! In this video, we are going on a journey to discover the world of pronouns. Let's learn together. Pronouns are special words that help us avoid repeating nouns in our sentences. They replace nouns. They help make sentences shorter and stop us from saying the same words over and over. Some common examples are he, she, it, I, and you. Now let's learn the types of pronouns. First is personal pronouns. This type of pronoun replaces names like I, you, he, she, it, we, and us. Example through sentence. My name is Jacob. I love to sing. Here, I replaces Jacob's name. Next, relative pronouns. This type of pronoun relates to one part of the sentence to another like who, which, that, and whose. Example through sentence. The book that I borrowed was boring. Here, that connects the parts of the sentence. Then we have reflexive pronouns. This type of pronoun reflects to the subject of the sentence like myself, yourself, himself, and themselves. Example through sentence. I hurt myself while running. Here, myself reflects the subject. I and other is demonstrative pronouns. This type of pronoun indicates nouns by showing singular or plural in distances like this, that, these, and those. Example through sentence. These are Paul's toys. These shows the toys are near. Next, indefinite pronouns. This type of pronoun refers to non-specific people or things. Some include anyone, someone, and everyone. Example through sentence. Everyone is invited to my party. Here, everyone does not specify who. Then we have distributive pronouns. This type of pronoun refers to individuals one at a time like each, either, and neither. Example through sentence. Each student worked hard. Here, each refers to individuals separately. Next, possessive pronouns. This type of pronoun shows ownership and includes mine, yours, hers, and his. Example through sentence. This notebook is mine. Here, mine indicates ownership. Then, interrogative pronouns. This type of pronoun is used to ask questions like who, which, and what. Example through sentence. Who is the owner? Here, who is asking about a person. Last we have intensive pronouns. This type of pronoun adds emphasis and ends in self or selves, like myself, yourself, and themselves. Example through sentence. I will do it myself. Here, myself adds emphasis. Now it's your turn to answer. What type of pronoun is used to ask questions? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.